Hi everyone, this is Faiz and welcome to my channel. I just got back from celebrating Christmas in New York City, and let me just tell you, the experience was beautiful. I literally felt like I was in some Hallmark movie. There was Christmas music everywhere, the streets are fully decorated. The holidays in general just seem much more magical in New York. And so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you my experience in New York, all with two of my favorite gadgets, my iPhone 17 Pro Max, everything. This entire video is filmed on the iPhone 17 Pro Max. And I actually, had a great experience of vlogging with this in New York. I think it was really, really cool to fully test the camera and its video capabilities. And the next device that I took with me was this all new M5 iPad Pro. It was really nice to, take this with me, do my work on it, and also edit the entire vlog in less than an hour on this M5 iPad Pro. The rendering speed of this is quite incredible. But once again, what you're here to watch is this beautiful vlog of my experience in New York City, shot on my iPhone 17 Pro Max and edited on my M5 iPad Pro. So without any further ado, let's jump right in. Alright, so wife and I are getting hungry and want some famous Joe's pizza, so I put it into my Maps app and then head on over. This, by the way, is the same Joe's Pizza where Peter Parker worked in Sam Raimi's Spider-Man movie. now time to go check out Macy's at Herald Square, which is known as the world's largest store on Broadway and 34th Street, and it looks absolutely beautiful with all the Christmas decorations. Alright, so after browsing through Macy's, we now walk around the Rockefeller area before we go to Radio City to see the Rockettes. Alright, so after the show, we walk around some more, catch a glimpse of the Saks light show, and then head to Bryant Park where they had their Winter Village showcase with tons of little shops everywhere. And I even tried these delicious TikTok famous s'mores hot chocolates from Cocoa Cabin. Alright, so this basically wraps up my vlog of celebrating the holidays in New York City. It was a beautiful experience, and what you just saw was just a small snippet of my overall experience, because it's one of those things you have to go and experience for yourself to see how magical New York City is during Christmas time. From the decorations to the music, everything feels majestic. Yes, even the cold weather, though it got a little too chilly for me, I must say it was a part of the experience and I loved it. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. It was kind of something new for my channel. So if you enjoyed it, give it a like and let me know if you want to see more of these. And if you have any thoughts or questions, leave them down in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, and I'll catch you in the next one.